Good morning, guys. We're having a muffin. We already ate rice earlier. And my first burnt marshmallow. This is so sad. My sister's laughing at me. Oh my gosh, it looks so funny. So there's a whole bunch of Hobies, and this is the first time I've heard of them. Like, I've seen them, but I don't know what they are. Fong's here. She just got here this morning. Starfish! Oh, it's pretty. Look at the pretty starfish. We just named it. It's called Patrick now. Oh, jeez. Oh, the tides are coming up. Oh, God. But yeah, they just named it Patrick. They say that one's crabby and it's dead, so someone called Mr. Crab. And then there's Patrick again. And his wife. Oh yeah! Oh, it's coming! All those shoes up. So close! Oh yeah! Masterpiece. Perfect little footprint.
Take that!
Nice flip flops. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Picture copyright, my picture.
What you doing? I don't know, everyone has I love something songs, but what I love. What? You can stop it. This is gonna take a long time. We have a surprise for you guys. Ready? Not even. But everyone wrote someone. So I love food! Fong's with me in here, come on.
Oh yeah.
You know that's true. High five. Yeah, it was work. Oh golly.
I love food.
I love food stuff. I wrote all that. It took a long time.
Well, I sent you.
Look, it says I love Connor, I love something, I love Carrie, Tony, Frankie, and we love food.
Yeah, and we love food. I'm sorry to all the
Oh well. Look at the cute little fort. That's Fong's new house.
Yeah, I built it myself.
Home sweet home. Home sweet home. My God. Okay, we're on a search for seashells, and we started to see some. No, I mean the ones in there. The first ones that we found already. They're so much prettier than the ones that we found over there. And we could like barely see the campsite. We're like all the way over here. We're going on an adventure. Here we go. We are adventuring. Na, 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 na. What song is that from? Barney? I think so. I think it's lunchtime for the birds. What the heck is this, guys? It looks like a hose, but it's like seaweed or something. Oh, really? Is it real?
It is seaweed.
Wait, why is it so thick? It's weird. Ew. Use as a hose.
No, seriously.
The water.
Holy crap.
No, seriously, I've never seen this before.
Ew, look. It is seaweed. This is like growing out.
Oh my god, it's like a root. Oh man.
There you go.
You know,
it's natural. Now
you know what it reminds me of?
what?
It reminds me of Animal Crossing. You know how you see the
Oh yeah.
look at that. That's pretty. Okay. Look what we found. It's tiny. Look how many we found now. Our pile is growing. beach over here. There's Song. Yeah. These waves are huge. Holy cow! Okay, like we just found out we're gonna go ride for mopeds and they're like super excited. And we have to walk all the way back to the tent. I'm carrying the stuff. Okay, just got back from riding the mopeds and we had 2 bikes of those bikes that have like 2 riders and then 3 of those 1 biker bikes and then 1 moped and it was really fun, but I couldn't bring the camera because I didn't have enough time to come back and get it. But we have pictures and yeah, and then I rode it for the first time even though I'm not allowed to. Oh my gosh, it's so windy. I'm in the tent right now. It's like uber windy in there outside right now. Okay, we'll bring you muffin number 2. I love these. These never get old. My sister loves them. Uber windy, but it's sunny now. There are like a row of rocks perfectly across the water. What it even means or where is it from? And then my uncle said it was man-made, but I'm really not sure. So the wind just blew off the blue thing in our tent. Look, we could actually see outside now. It literally just blew off.
Blew off.
That's cray cray.
Cray cray.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
The sky is falling!
Whoa. This thing is gonna blow.
Uh-oh. Raymond, stop eating all my Cheez-Its. Just woke up from a 2-hour nap and then I ate dinner and my dinner was literally blown away. Like the wind was so crazy. And now I'm gonna make a pizza and a plum. And my sister said she's going to We're playing I Spy right now. I think she got it and she put us in. Oh, I see it! It's orangish, right? I see it, I see it. We need to put it next to the other one. Oh, it's another really pretty one. It's like not like demented and stuff. It's so pretty.
They've been looking for starfish all day.
Do you want to take a couple?
Can we just walk down to
Yeah, you have to walk really far all the way over there to find the seashells.
So you want a couple?
Yeah. Yeah, just take a couple. We don't need that many. Do they want some too?
I gotta put it up on a rock so
He said, let me do it.
Did you say thank you? Yeah, can you say thank you?
You're welcome.
The starfish? Can you give that back to them?
You're welcome. You can go put it back on the rock. If you want. We were just...
They said you find that.
Want some?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead, take some.
Just go take a couple. You want a couple too?
Sure. Well, that's really nice, guys. Make sure you say thank you.
Okay, you're welcome. We just, I don't know. We're cute, but I don't know where they put the starfish. Like, I don't think they like pressed the heart, so then like it just flew away. I was cracking up because Brandon's peeing right there. I don't think you can see him. Okay, I think he just got done. That's so mean. Why would you scream?
Daddy's gonna cry.
Yellow watermelon. scared. Ah! Oh, it works! Wow. So we're trying to light these up and that did not work, and we're trying to take a picture on the beach, and Fong really wanted to, but we couldn't. It was a fail. Yeah, it was too windy. Oh well, we'll go back and do it at the campsite. Yeah. Eating corn now, and that was a fail, but it was fun. Uh-oh. But yeah, sitting on the mat. It's warm here. This girl will never give up on taking her perfect picture.
It's like Firefest, that's why it's blurry.
Oh jeez.
Hi.
Here, made my brother a s'more. He's gonna try it for the first time. Ew, stuck to my hand.
Ugh, looks disgusting.
Disgusting, you said? How is it, Raymond?
Squishy.
Looks squishy?
And
Is it good? Yummy?
Look like squishy squash.
And Christina here for like 10 years roasting
Why?
one marshmallow.
Why?
What do you say, Raymond? De nada. I don't know. Oh my god. That's so funny. Oh man. Still making s'mores. S'more.
Get the hanger.
And I'm gonna make mine. I put some Nutella in there and panda sauce. Yay! Black. Ooh, someone's sleepy.
Hey, fire!
Yay, there's fire again. We're going to find sticks because we have no more for our fire.
There's there, one right there.
Raymond's new fashion.
Raymond New.
There's a fire
And
number.
all that.
Midnight snackaroo. Not like shaking. Look guys, it's glowing. It's pretty. We're like the only ones out here right now. Except for the whole group. I mean, our family. What are you guys doing?
Nothing. This. Oh, what's doing the fan?
Is it too windy?